say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now.
Hey guys, okay. Hey guys, so today I've woken up so sick. Actually, the sickness did not even start today. It started like 2 days ago. All my babies, I have two babies. All my babies are from CS, so maybe I don't know what the problem is, but I hear speculations that ukifanyiwa CS, sometimes when it's too hot, you tend to like scratch yourself, and when it's too cold, you tend to feel like some sharp pain. I'm not so sure about that. Those are just speculations, when you go and tell someone and they start telling you such stuff, but I'm really not sure about it. My plan is to go to the hospital maybe tomorrow, because today is on Sunday, and the way I'm feeling today, I just can't go. Yeah, and I going to get checked, like what's up with the wound, what's going on, because already my baby is now 1 year, 9 months, and that's a long time, a year and 9 months. I was hoping my wound would like get like healed by that time, but unfortunately I was wrong. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to hospital, be checked, then I'm gonna let you guys know. Hey baby. Mom. Yes. Yeah. What are you saying? Yeah. But sometimes when you look at your babies, you tend to like say like it's worth all the pain. It's worth all the pain. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So guys, now I am unboxing a gift that my husband actually brought for me. So I'm really so excited about it. So let's unbox it together. You see, I'm really struggling to open because I'm using one hand. One hand is holding the camera, one hand is unboxing. Yeah, life of Nini. Anyways, I have this cute notebook that I really need, because I am really doing a lot of things at the same time, and I really need to note them down. Sometimes, when you have so many things to do and you don't write them down, you end up not doing anything at all. So we have this cute notebook. We also have this nice, I have a pencil here. Of course, the pencil, I'm gonna give it to my daughter. Let it focus.
Kelly?
Yeah, and now I have visitors.
Kelly,
Yeah, they are coming to crash
leave my
my
things alone.
my stuff. So I decided to put like two memories in that cab bag that my husband bought me, because he bought me that cab bag and the notebook and the pen. So what is she doing? So guys, I ordered this package from Kilimall because they really have really nice offers. So unboxing again this package. So let's do it together.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So guys, Kelly is asleep, Casey is outside playing, so I took this opportunity to like watch a movie and some snacks here. Yeah, I'm watching From. Nani? Nenda. So guys, I also did my nails, but I wasn't able to record when I was doing the nails. I also did my feet. Yeah, I did both my hands and legs. Good morning guys. So this is the third day actually if I started this vlog, and it's morning. We have already taken breakfast, so Kelly is here watching some cartoon. Yeah, and I'm here. Yeah, and I'm just here with her. Even if I call her right now, hata hizi niangalia. Kelly. Hey guys, this is what I'm eating. I don't know what to call this, bhajia. I'm not sure, but lately I've been feeling like I have morning sickness. Like there was a time I had like a serious pelvic pain. Alafu pia I don't feel like eating. Sometimes I eat, I stop along the way. Sometimes I don't want to eat like these kinds of food. Imagine this is what I'm craving for, and this is what I'm eating. So I was maybe thinking maybe I'm pregnant and I should actually go get checked. And that is, I think that is what I am about to do maybe. Maybe in the next video, I go like do a pregnancy test. Because the things that I've been craving, I've been waking up and craving very, very funny things like chicken, especially chips, chicken, those kinds of things. So I really think I'm pregnant. And imagine, my baby is now 1.9, is 1 year 9 months. So I don't know what I can say. It's just a speculation. I've not confirmed. But before I even test, I just want you guys to comment down below and just tell me if really I happen to find out that I'm pregnant, because I can freak out. Sijui kile naweza fanya, I can lose my mind. Siwadanganye, I can really lose my mind. Sijui naweza fanya nini. I know, shindwe. If I find myself like if I'm pregnant, let someone just encourage me and tell me like how you can go about it, because I really think I am. I really think I am, and I'm so afraid to test because I don't want to, like, I have enough right now. Sitaki kujiongeza another pressure, because I already have pressure. Thinking that I'm pregnant, it has already given me a lot of pressure. So just comment down and tell me like how do you go about it, guy. Miss Juvenez afanya. I seriously think I can go through depression. I guess I can really go through depression, because the cravings that I've been having, I don't even want to test. But I promise you guys, next time when I'm doing a video, the next video, I'm going to make sure I do a pregnancy test and see if really these are the results, because I won't be so happy, Danganya, but if it's there, I think all I will need is just encouragement, and my husband is okay with it. If you are pregnant, it's okay. Let's move forward. So yeah.
Say what you